How to adjust brightness, contrast and saturation in Filto. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the video or photo you want to edit from your gallery. Once your media loads into the editor, tap on the timeline or image to open the editing tools. Now look for the adjust or tune option from the editing menu. It usually contains settings like brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness and more. Tap on brightness and drag the slider left or right to make your video or photo darker or brighter based on your preference. Then tap on contrast to adjust the difference between light and dark areas. Increasing it makes the image more defined, while decreasing it gives a softer look. Next, tap on saturation and move the slider to make your colors more vivid or more muted. After adjusting, preview your changes to make sure everything looks perfect. You can always go back and fine-tune any settings if needed. Finally, tap the save button at the top to export your edited video or image in high quality. Now you know how to adjust brightness, contrast and saturation in Filto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.